So we have a bolster, long way. Make sure you have space between the sacrum and inhale through your nose. Hi, my name is Pom Kayero. Today I would like to introduce you this book, which is Light on Yoga Sutra of Patanjali, that translated by B.K.S. Iyengar. And today we're going to practice very simple 7 minutes practice with the relaxation breathing. And in the sutra here that Patanjali mentioned about the way of still the fluctuation of consciousness, and if you have stress nowadays, it's like all the news come and all this, it's make people stress in the different situation. And the sutra number 134 that they mention about the possibility of diffusing consciousness to attain the serenity and the consciousness to relax in there by practicing pensive state, the retention after exhalation. So basically that when we inhale, so you can practice right here, when you inhale and when you exhale, relax, and pause after your exhalation a few seconds, then you inhale again. The pause between after exhalation, that's where the quiet and the relaxation of consciousness. This is one of the tools from the way of help quiet. Today we begin with the Supta Baddha Konasana first. So you put the bolster like this, so you can copy me. So we have a bolster, long way. If you don't have a bolster, you can fold a blanket long way like this, or you have at home like pillows you can use. And this is trifold, so you go like this, trifold, and place the bolster here, so you can go ahead, fold them. And Miriam, you're gonna come here. So the bolster, when you lie down on the back, and your sacrum slightly away from the bolster, so it's not touching, then you lie down. And have a blanket support underneath the head and let the arms roll out. So you get another second blanket, everyone, to Baddha Konasana, so you get more. And have a blanket support underneath the thighs and relax the arms. Okay? So this is called Supta Baddha Konasana. So you come lie down on your back. So make sure you have space between the sacrum and the bolster. And lie down, center yourself in the middle of the bolster. And place your blanket underneath. You can lie down first. Yeah, make sure you're in the center. And from when you lie down first, then you pull your blanket to go in. And place this under. Let your arms relax to the side. Make sure you center yourself on the bolster and roll the upper arm out and close your eyes. So that first a few minutes that you're relaxing your breath there. So I adjust that, allow your shoulders rolling out and move the skin of the shoulder blade down and let your arms roll out. And make sure your blanket support your neck and support your head. So your forehead relax above your heart. Relaxing into the breath. Let your arms, let your shoulders completely relax and passive. Softness in your face, your eyes, completely relax between the top eyelid and the bottom eyelid. Completely let go. Your nose, your teeth, your tongue, completely quiet and relaxed. And when you're breathing, see that you can slow, steady, quiet, smooth of inhalation through your nose and smooth, steady exhalation to let go in any area in the body that's gripping. Be aware of your inhalation. Feel the chest is expand. And use your exhalation to relax the whole body, completely passive. Softness in the throat, softness in the jaw. From the Supta Baddha Konasana, supine bow angle, you're going to place your hand underneath your thighs to bring your knees together and slowly stretch your leg down to the floor. You can use blanket cover your thighs to relax your thighs. Yeah. Let your arms relax. Especially your thumbs. You can relax your thumbs to release down. Your fingers release down. So when you're breathing at the moment, is cultivate a present moment to in-breath and to out-breath, quiet and relax. Now we're going to practice the first one. Exhale completely. Let the air flow out. And each in-breath and each out-breath, make sure you're not forcing. No forcing any area in the body. Let the lung, let the chest well open. Now exhale completely, let the air flow out. And inhale through your nose all the way to the top of your chest, the middle chest, the lower chest expand. And exhale, slow, quiet. Relax the abdomen. And at the end point of your exhalation, holding the breath a few seconds, and inhale through your nose, slow, steady. That's one round. Exhale completely. And wait. Pause a few seconds. And inhale again, slow, steady, quiet. And last one, exhale completely. Let the air flow out. Let the abdomen relax. And wait, pause a few seconds. And normal in-breath, normal out-breath. So we're doing this for 3 cycles of the breath, relaxing into the normal breath, normal out-breath. Let your forehead completely relax and let go. Now you're going to slowly bend your knees and roll to your right side and remove the bolster and lie down flat on your back. And you can place your bolster on your thighs to keep your body in the center, relax. To keep in neutral in the spine. Completely relax and let go. Thank you.